What if the future of farming no longer depends on human hands, but on algorithms that never sleep? What if a single camera in a greenhouse could detect a disease before the farmer even notices the first leaf turning yellow? Or a fleet of drones could scan an entire valley of crops in minutes, predicting exactly where pests will strike next? Fields where no farmer stands under the sun, yet every plant receives water to the exact milliliter, where invisible AI systems watch over millions of crops, predicting problems before they even appear. Welcome back to AgriTech Smart. Today, we're entering that world. A world where robots walk through orchards, drones scan fields from the sky, and machine learning models decide the perfect moment to harvest, with an accuracy no human has ever achieved. But this transformation isn't just about futuristic machines. It's about a silent revolution that is rewriting the future of food, reshaping how nations farm, and redefining what farmers can accomplish. A revolution happening right now in real fields, on real farms, producing real results. So stay with us, because what you're about to see may change the way you think about farming forever. Agriculture is entering one of the most transformative periods in its 10,000-year history. As global demand for food continues to rise, expected to increase by 60% before 2050, the pressure on farmers to grow more with fewer resources has never been greater. Traditional methods alone can no longer sustain the speed, efficiency, and precision required in modern food production. And this is where artificial intelligence steps in, not as a replacement for farmers, but as their most powerful partner. In today's farms, AI silently works behind the scenes, analyzing millions of data points, from soil nutrients and plant health to climate patterns and equipment conditions. What once took teams of agronomists weeks to understand can now be processed in seconds. This shift has created smarter decisions, reduced waste, and increased productivity across nearly every crop. The rise of smart agriculture is not just about automation. It is about creating a sustainable future. AI-powered tools help reduce water usage by up to 40%, optimize fertilizer input by 20 to 30%, and improve yields in key crops like wheat, maize, and rice by up to 25%. These numbers are reshaping how the world thinks about food security. As we step into the world of AI-driven farming, we'll explore the systems, machines, and innovations that help farmers produce more food with greater efficiency, precision, and environmental responsibility. One of the biggest breakthroughs in modern agriculture is AI's ability to see the condition of crops better than the human eye. Deep learning algorithms analyze drone and satellite imagery to detect early signs of stress, nutrient deficiencies, or pest outbreaks, sometimes 7 to 10 days before visible symptoms appear. This gives farmers a critical window to intervene and protect their plants. Companies like John Deere, IBM Watson Agriculture, and Climate FieldView have developed AI platforms capable of processing terabytes of field data instantly. These systems generate detailed field maps that show plant health, moisture distribution, and biomass levels. Farmers can confidently predict yield variations with remarkable accuracy, often with 92 to 95% reliability. Yield prediction models also help with market planning. Instead of relying on guesswork, farmers and exporters can use AI-generated forecasts to estimate harvest volumes weeks or even months in advance. This reduces risk, improves pricing strategies, and stabilizes supply chains. Thanks to AI, crop monitoring has evolved from occasional checking to real-time diagnosis. Fields are effectively scanned 24/7, creating a digital twin of the entire farm, allowing growers to make data-driven decisions that significantly improve output. Pests and diseases cost farmers nearly $220 billion every year. Early detection is the key to prevention, and AI is now capable of recognizing microscopic symptoms long before an outbreak spreads. Using high-resolution drone images and field cameras, computer vision systems identify pests such as aphids, fruit flies, and beetles with 98% accuracy. AI models can distinguish between nutrient stress and fungal infections, two conditions that often look similar to the human eye. Tools like Plantix, Peat, and Huawei's AI pest detector analyze leaf patterns, color variations, and texture changes to pinpoint the exact issue. Robotic scouting devices further enhance detection. These small autonomous vehicles move between crop rows, capturing 360-degree images, analyzing humidity, and measuring canopy density. When they detect pests, they transmit warnings instantly to the farmer's smartphone. This approach prevents unnecessary spraying. With accurate detection, chemical use can be reduced by up to 50%, creating safer produce and healthier ecosystems. For high-value crops like grapes, apples, citrus, and berries, AI disease detection has become an essential tool for protecting both the harvest and the farm's long-term sustainability. Autonomous machinery represents the most visually impressive aspect of AI in agriculture. Driverless tractors guided by GPS and machine learning can plow, seed, and fertilize fields with near-perfect straight lines, accuracy often reaching around 2 centimeters. Robotic harvesters are now capable of picking delicate fruits like strawberries, apples, and kiwi fruit without bruising. These machines use AI-powered cameras to identify ripe fruits, calculate the angle of approach, and apply just the right amount of pressure. For example, the latest strawberry picking robots can harvest 8,000 to 10,000 berries per hour. Large-scale equipment companies like John Deere, Kubota, and C&H Industrial are integrating AI into every major machine. These devices learn from field conditions, optimizing traction, fuel consumption, and harvesting routes to save farmers both time and money. The rise of autonomous equipment not only increases productivity but also addresses labor shortages, a major challenge in fruit and vegetable industries. Robots can work 24/7 in extreme weather conditions, ensuring that crucial tasks like harvesting happen exactly at the right moment. After crops leave the field, AI continues to add value through automated sorting and grading. Computer vision systems precisely evaluate color, texture, size, and defects on fruits and vegetables. These systems achieve consistency that human graders can't match, often exceeding 95% accuracy. AI-driven packing lines use hyperspectral imaging to detect internal flaws invisible to the naked eye, such as bruising in apples or dryness in citrus. This ensures only premium-grade produce reaches supermarkets, improving brand reputation and reducing consumer complaints. In logistics, AI predicts transportation delays, optimizes shipping routes, and matches supply with demand. For perishable crops such as berries and leafy greens, this technology can reduce post-harvest loss by 15 to 25%. By connecting the entire supply chain, from farm to warehouse to export terminal, AI enhances transparency, efficiency, and profitability. It ensures that the food reaching consumers is fresher, safer, and of higher quality. In a rapidly transforming world, artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool. It's becoming the heartbeat of modern agriculture. Across vast fields, high-tech greenhouses, and fully unmanned farms, AI is reshaping how food is grown, managed, and harvested. From predictive climate models to autonomous robots, from drone-based crop monitoring to smart irrigation systems, every element works together to create an entirely new ecosystem of farming, faster, smarter, and more sustainable. This video explores how AI-powered agriculture is emerging as a global breakthrough, boosting crop productivity, reducing resource waste, protecting the environment, and empowering farmers to overcome challenges that once felt impossible. It's not just innovation. It's a revolution that is redefining the future of food. Under the open sky of modern agriculture, AI is quietly rewriting the future, plant by plant, farm by farm. The revolution is already here, and its impact is spreading across the globe. Thank you for watching today's journey with AgriTech Smart. If you enjoyed this documentary, remember to hit like, subscribe, and share it with others who love agricultural innovation. We'll see you in the next video, where another story of smart farming is waiting to unfold.